Hi, my name's Dan Cavell. I'm a chef co-owner of Tailors Restaurant in Warwick. So the dish that I'll be making today is a take on a trout dish which we have on. We're replacing the trout with cauliflower, English cauliflower, which we will pan fry. So the mayonnaise, obviously we would normally make for the original trout dish a Thai mayonnaise with egg yolks, but we wanted to make something that was vegan friendly. So, you know, to take the integral part of the dish, which is the actual mayonnaise, we've used Hellmann's vegan mayonnaise, and we've blended it with herbs and spices and a few vinegars to make a Thai mayonnaise emulsion to finish the dish off. We will start with the Thai style coconut sauce. We put one bunch of chopped lemongrass, 2 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger, about an inch piece chopped up, and we put that into a pan and we warm it gently just to bring out the flavours of all the aromats, and then we'll turn the heat off and leave that sit for about an hour. The next stage of the dish is the Thai emulsion with the mayonnaise. So we put the mayonnaise into a high-speed blender. So we use 500 grams of mayonnaise, and we use 50 grams of basil and 50 grams of coriander. So we'll pass that off after we've blended it, and we'll put that into a squeezy bottle to use when we plate up the dish later on. And so then realistically, finally, it's just the cooking of the cauliflower. So for 4 persons, we use 1 large head of cauliflower cut into bite-sized florets, and we heat some rapeseed oil in a pan, and we just get a nice caramelization all over the cauliflower florets. After that, we'll pass off the sauce. It's probably been infused and washed. You've gone through these steps for a good half an hour to an hour. So to plate the dish, we put the warm cauliflower florets. We like to build a pile up in the middle. You know, it doesn't have to be too neat, quite organic. And then we take our Thai emulsion, which we've put into a squeezy bottle, and we squeeze it, you know, pipe a generous amount over top, because that's the actual flavour. You know, you're really packing a punch with the mayonnaise, and it adds a really luxurious creaminess to the dish as well. We take our sweet and sour pickled chilies, and we place about 5 or 6 pieces. It depends on how hot you like your Thai style food, really. It depends on what you can take. So we put about 5 on top. So with the basil and coriander oil that we made previously, we put a few tablespoons of that into a small amount of our coconut milk infused sauce, just to split the sauce, and we pour about 3 tablespoons per person over the cauliflower. And then the final plating of the dish is the puffed wild rice. So there we have Thai green cauliflower using Hellmann's vegan mayonnaise.